Alright guys, I'm here to talk to you, kind of walk you through the Elodea Lab that we're going to be doing. So this is Elodea, it's a plant, and it is currently in a test tube in water. We are going to be looking at how the light that we have here affects its rate of oxygen production, or how fast it does make oxygen. We'll be able to see that when we look at the bubbles, okay? So just kind of to show you how this works, you can either drag here or you can click and drag here. You're going to be doing three different light places. You're going to be doing 100, 150, and 200. I'm just going to set it at 120 for right now. When you have it set there, you're going to click Start. And you can also read the instructions here if you want to. It tells you what to do where. And you're going to click Start to start the experiment. Okay. And you're going to read right here, and you're going to be calculating the beats per minute of oxygen. Okay, so you can either use the space bar and tap, or you can tap the button here, and you're just doing that at the rate that you're seeing the bubbles. Okay, and you're going to do that for a minute. Okay, so we're going to watch this go around, tapping as you see. And then when you see it get to back up to about the 12, then you're going to record your beats per minute there. Okay, so then you reset, and you go back, and then you change it to your next setting. Then you're going to click Start, and then you do the space bar to measure every time you see your bubbles. Or you can tap here. Okay, and then you're going to do that for a minute, and then you click Reset, you go back, and then you'll do the third one. Okay, so you're going to be focusing on the bubbles. It's a really simple lab. You're just looking at how the rate of light, whether it's closer or further away, affects the oxygen production. And that oxygen production is just in the bubbles that we're going to see that the Elodea is making.